Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation.
Fanttik NB8 Ultra brings you a powerful cordless pressure washer that blends performance, convenience, and portability into one smart cleaning system. Built with a long-lasting battery and a 4-gallon onboard tank, this washer lets you clean cars, patios, outdoor furniture, and more without relying on a fixed water source. Its pull rod design and wheels make it effortless to move around, turning any cleaning job into a simple task, even in large outdoor spaces. If you want to check this product out for yourself, then the link is in the description below. With customizable pressure levels, this washer gives you energy-saving standard and strong modes, so you can switch based on what you're cleaning. The 5-in-1 nozzle expands your flexibility, letting you choose between narrow high-pressure jets, wide coverage sprays, or foam application for a full wash experience. Whether you are removing stuck grime, washing your car, or cleaning your yard, this washer adapts to any situation easily. The built-in LED screen makes everything straightforward by showing your pressure level, battery status, and current working mode. This helps you stay in control at all times, while the TSS system saves energy by automatically stopping the pump when the trigger is not in use. It is engineered for both efficiency and safety, making it ideal for beginners and experts. This cordless pressure washer runs for up to 58 minutes, depending on your mode, giving you enough power for full car washes, fence cleaning, patio, washing garden tools, bikes, and more. With its 20-foot hose and optimized spray system, you get full reach and consistent performance. The water usage is efficient and controlled, ensuring that every spray counts without waste. Fanttik also designed the washer to be easy to maintain, using only clean water between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius. The portable tank removes the need for long water lines, allowing you to clean anywhere, even where water connections are not available. For outdoor adventurers, RV owners, and home users, this washer becomes a dependable all-purpose tool that if you want a smart, powerful, and highly portable cleaning system, this cordless washer fits perfectly. It brings convenience, durability, and strong cleaning force, making your daily tasks faster and smoother. Your driveway, your patio, and your weekend car washes will feel easier with this washer supporting every job. If you want to check this product out for yourself, then the link is in the description below.